everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me again. And it's lovely to have you. If you're new, that's smashing. If you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying it at any point. And I'll be able to see you again soon then. Excited today to try these Born Pretties that they've very nicely sent me. I've got 3 of the Silky White series, and I asked for this, which is the watercolor, and I've just got the white. So I'm going to have a play with that. And I also needed some primer because I've been saying in my other videos that I hadn't actually got their primer. So I've got their acid-free primer, and you can also get this in a kit with a dehydrator. I'll just show you this because it comes like this. You take the top off and you put a little brush inside there, and then that's that job done. So I'll do that when I need it. Now, these, I've already taken the cellophane wrapper off. And we're going to swatch these colours. But I've already taken the wrappers off because I want to do some nails. So I'm hoping I've got a bit of a nude one. And then I can't remember what else I bought. Or asked for. So... grey, is it? Grey or green? Can't remember. Which is lovely. And these are lovely glass bottles, the 10ml. So that's nice. Oh yes, I got shades of green by the look of things. Right, so I'll get some swatch sticks and we'll have a go. I'm not going to base coat these for the purposes of swatching. This is the nudie one. This is called CG063. I'll put your link in the description box. There is a set of 1 to 100 you can choose from, and then I think the next is 101 to 140 or something. I'll put you a picture up above anyway. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I love this. I like that. What's that lump? What's in the swatch stick? So, that's nice. Nice nudie colour. CG031. Oh, stunning. I wanted sort of muted. Oh, that's nice. Oh, my daughter's going to like that. Very subtle greyish blue. Beautiful. And then CG033. So I wanted this to tone with it, but it's a slightly different colour. Nice. Bit more green, yeah, they'll look beautiful together. Lovely. Oh, fluff. Go on, my right muck magnet, me. So I'll give them a second coat and I'll come back and top coat them. I'll show you what they look like. So, I thought I might take the opportunity to make a set of press-ons. So these are medium almond. So for the sake of the video, I've got blue and, well, I've got different bases. So I can edit and just show you one hand. So what I'm going to start with, these are pre-buffed, these tips. So I don't need to file them, but I am going to go in with a primer. That'll make sure everything adheres to it. So you would use your dehydrator first, or your alcohol, and then your primer. And I'm going to do a bit of a marble, sort of minty coloured marble with the green. And I'm going to base coat them all. Just turn my hand over because I've done them all at once, just to make sure it's not run to the edges. I'm doing this CG033. And on that tacky layer, I'm going to put some little bits of this gold. I can break it. And then that's having a matte top coat on it. Now this you've got to shake. It's got little beads inside it, so you know it's something you've got to shake. And I've got some alcohol in my little dispenser. A little flat brush. I'm just going to paint French on the bottom of these. So I've painted the French round round these two. I've given it 2 coats, and then I've put the foil into the tacky layer. I'm going to paint the top of that pink, so I'm going to matte coat the whole thing, so that won't hurt at all. And if I can find my matte, here we are. That's just so I can use this watercolour on it. Making this a little bit paler with this 02 painting gel. So now I'm going to super top coat these and then give them a quick buff, just to smooth off any lumps that I might have got from that foil. I'm just going to use this white painting gel to put some definition around that smile line. So I'm just going to super top coat again. And then they're done. Please don't forget to check out the links below. I've got a 22% discount code for Born Pretty for you. I've probably flashed that up on the screen before now, but it's in all the description boxes. I'm just going to take this top coat a little bit over those caviar beads. I'm going to get my tiny brush to go over some of them. Just take it over. Just to extra secure them. I think these are really pretty. I'm really pleased with these. The colour is stunning. And that white gel's worked really well. So, do you like these with or without gemstones? That's with and that's without. Either way, I think you'll agree that colour is absolutely beautiful. And I love the white and the gold in the marble. Yeah, really happy with those. Thank you very much, Born Pretty, for sending them to me. Don't forget to like if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe if you've not done so already. And I will see you very soon. Take care. Love you loads. Bye.